This safety training is presented by USMM Engineering and Amco Industries. In a split second, a routine shift can turn into a life-or-death emergency. Yet, most factory workers freeze when panic sets in. In this video, we're demonstrating how simulated drills convert raw fear into precise, life-saving action. Don't let your team become a statistic. Learn how to execute these critical protocols under pressure. Knowing your nearest fire exit is crucial. Ensure all fire exit doors are unobstructed and clearly marked. We must never forget the lessons from tragedies like the 2012 Baldia Town factory fire in Karachi, where over 250 lives were lost. Blocked exits and a lack of safety systems turned a workplace into a death trap. These are not just regulations, they are life and death responsibilities. If you discover a fire, your first action is to sound the alarm. If the fire is small and you are trained, use a fire extinguisher. Otherwise, evacuate immediately. Your safety is the top priority. One of the biggest causes of fire disasters is negligence in safety planning. Many owners focus on production and profit, but ignore basic fire safety requirements. Common mistakes include blocking or locking emergency exits, and a lack of fire detection and suppression systems like smoke detectors, alarms, and sprinklers. Poor electrical maintenance, improper storage of flammable materials, and overcrowded workspaces with no clear evacuation routes also create immense risk. Furthermore, not conducting regular fire drills and treating safety audits as mere paperwork instead of critical risk assessments significantly increases the danger. Government and regulatory departments also have a critical role. Failures occur when there is weak enforcement of fire safety laws and a lack of regular, thorough inspections. Allowing facilities to operate without valid safety certificates and poor coordination between authorities compound the problem. Strong governance and strict enforcement are essential to prevent disasters. In the event of a fire, the exhaust fan system is designed to shut down automatically to prevent the spread of smoke and flames. This is a critical step in containing the fire. Simultaneously, the fire alarm system will activate, triggering audible and visual alerts throughout the facility. This is your signal to begin evacuation immediately. All the safety systems we discuss are based on internationally recognized standards from organizations like the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, and the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. Compliance is a legal and moral obligation. This tragedy reminds us that ignoring safety measures can cost hundreds of lives. Fire safety equipment and proper planning are not expenses. They are life-saving investments. Let's break down the key safety systems. First, the fire extinguisher, a portable device for small, earlier stage fires, used by trained personnel. It's a low-cost tool that saves lives and equipment. The fire alarm system detects fire and alerts occupants with sound and visuals, ensuring an early warning for quick evacuation, which reduces panic and protects property. Smoke detectors sense smoke particles for the earliest possible detection, activating the alarm automatically. This improves response time and reduces damage. A fire sprinkler system activates automatically with heat, controlling or extinguishing a fire without human action. It's crucial for protecting the building structure and minimizing losses. Emergency exit doors are special doors for safe evacuation. They provide a fast escape route, prevent congestion, and are a mandatory safety requirement to save lives. Illuminated emergency exit signs guide people to safety, especially during a power failure or in smoke. They prevent confusion and ensure a faster, compliant evacuation. The fire hose reel and hydrant system provides a continuous water supply for firefighting teams, essential for controlling large fires before professional help arrives. Regular firefighting training and drills prepare staff for how to respond in an emergency. This reduces panic, improves response time, and builds a strong safety culture. Emergency lighting is a backup system that activates during a power failure. It illuminates escape routes, preventing accidents and ensuring a safe evacuation in the dark. Finally, a comprehensive fire safety plan with standard operating procedures, or SOPs, documents all procedures for fire prevention, evacuation, and response. It is the backbone of a safe workplace. Here is a complete fire and safety inspection checklist you can use for factory floor or shopping mall audits, HSE inspections, or client documentation. You can also use this for monthly or weekly inspections. First, check your fire extinguishers and fire alarm system. Ensure extinguishers are accessible, charged, and inspected. Verify the alarm is operational and audible everywhere. Next, Examine your automated systems. Smoke and heat detectors must be clean and unobstructed. Sprinkler systems need clear heads, open valves, and verified water pressure. Focus on evacuation routes. All emergency exit doors must be unlocked and clear. Exit signs must be illuminated and powered, clearly guiding the way to safety. Inspect your heavy-duty equipment and backup systems. Fire hose reels must be ready with adequate pressure, and emergency lighting must be functional to illuminate escape routes during a power failure. Review your core infrastructure. Electrical systems must be safe, with no exposed wiring or overloaded circuits. Good housekeeping is vital. Keep flammable materials stored safely and aisles clear. Finally, assess your human preparedness. Confirm that regular fire drills have been conducted and that staff are trained. Ensure an emergency plan is in place with first aid kits and clear access for fire brigades. Always conclude your inspection with a clear summary report, documenting your findings and required corrective actions to ensure accountability and follow-through. Management must ensure compliance with safety standards, regular inspection of equipment, and proper training of workers and security staff. Remember, fire prevention is always better than firefighting. A safe workplace protects not only assets, but also the most valuable resource: human life. Thanks for watching. We, Engineering and Amco Industries, your partners in safety, are ready to serve you better than others. Stay aware, stay prepared, and always prioritize safety.